Alaikum. Today I am back with another product, another video of another product. I ordered today a ring light from Garage, and it came very safe. Like you can see, the packing is good. It looks safe. And I ordered it from a local store on Garage, which is AWB, I guess. I will just share the link in the description from where I ordered. It cost me around 1300 something. So we're gonna open it, unpack it now. First I have to figure out from where I can start. I hope my brother can help me. He's just sitting here. He's trying to do something, but
you can use scissor.
Oh no, I don't want to use scissors. Okay, I have started to unpack it. It sounds like it has little dough in it. Ring lights come in two parts. So the one is handled, the stand, and the other one is the light. So I think it has the square shaped box has light, and the other one has the stand. Okay, we have dispersed everything. Sorry about my bad thought today. Here, I have opened it. Okay. First, I wanna open it wrong side. ये तो वो है गुड्डी पे. Okay. And here we have another one. I want to take this out. Oh my god! Nice. Yes. And this is ring light. This says ring fill light. It comes in 3 colors. Here is a remote. So we're gonna unpack it, open it, so then you will be able to see what it has. But and from the description, I could tell you like it has 3 lights option. One is white, another one is warm white, and the third one is yellow one. So we're gonna open it first. Okay. Does it have anything in it? No, it doesn't. Okay. We have some parts of the light which we have to combine in order to make a stand. This thing. I have no idea how to do this stuff. This is the light. Let's try it. Shanze, can you bring me one adapter? I will have to just. It has a USB option, so we can plug it in the somewhere like in the power bank or like a charger. But it's a bad idea. Okay. So first of all, I have thought to measure it first so that you would have an idea how much lengthy it can be. When it's like totally tightly closed, at the last option, it's around
2.1 inch.
2.1 inch. But when we open it, because it has the options to. Okay, so I have opened it, the hole, and I can show you the measurements now. It's very, very, very like heighted. My arm cannot even reach there, but I'm gonna try it. It's around 6 feet and 5 inches, and even it can be open more. Like we have a few part over here. If we just pull it upside, so we can also make it even more heightened. So it's the description said like it's of 7 feet. Okay, so I have now plugged this in a charger. And okay. Okay, and we have a remote here, and I can now. Okay, so we have like 3 buttons, 4 in total. 4 buttons here. The first one, the red one, is of power button, and then there is a minus button, which is for the intensity. Okay, so second minus button is for the intensity. It has like around 6 to 7 options for the intensity, from the dim one to the the strong one. And then we have another button for the change of the lights, because it has, as I earlier mentioned, it has 3 lights, so it changes into different colors like warm white, and then yellow. And then there is a plus one, which is also for the intensity. Okay, now I am going to start it. It's probably from. Okay, now I am going to press the button. It's white light. Okay, if I just show you the intensity first, press it increases the intensity of this light. Okay, and now if we press the minus button, it's decreasing the intensity of the light. Now, shut. Okay, now I'm gonna press this button to change the light. And this is the yellow one. If I'm going to press the plus one sign, it's going to increase the intensity of this, and it has like 7 options, I guess. Yes. Now I'm going to press the minus button again to dim it and then change the light. Okay, now it has this, the white one. If we keep the intensity at the highest and then change the light, it's the same. That's it. I hope you liked our video. It has some accessories which we are gonna combine later to put this on the stand. It also has the option to hang it on the wall. Can you please show this to the viewers, brother? Yes, this thing. You can also hang it on the wall somewhere.